Alright guys, so I have some time today. Yes, it's just me today, still waiting on my partner to get back, but I was just driving by and I saw these, what look like huge ass sheds on wheels. Um, and I thought to myself, well, it is downsized, it is minimalistic. Not gonna get one today for very obvious reasons. But I just thought I'd show you some of them, at least the ones that are open. Looks like masks are required, so I'm gonna put mine on. It's not the most minimalistic, but we can see that we have some stuff going on. So for those people who are trying to downsize, trying to go minimalistic, and you're just looking for a place to start, and let's just say that you don't know exactly how to start, something like this, even though this is, I would definitely not call this minimalistic or downsized, but for argument's sake, this is actually downsized compared to what most people have in their life. So for something like this, you could go this route if you have like a big family and stuff, and you want to, let's say, maybe figure out what the right size is for you. Now, I will say this, there are sheds like this that are way smaller and are actually very, very basic in the sense of that when you walk into them, they are not furnished in such a manner as this, and they are much cheaper. And if you are looking to go downsize and minimalistic, and you're willing to go something smaller than this, that'd be a good place to start. Now, what I could do is sometime this week I could go and show you some of those, so you guys can take a look. We'll do like a little tour. Alright, you guys want to see what else we got? These are pretty big. We'll do one more, and then we'll be done for the day, so as to not to overwhelm you. Alright, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if I can find a smaller one for you guys, just so we can kind of talk a little bit about downsizing. And I know we haven't done a lot of videos on downsizing or minimalism, and believe me, I'm not holding out on you. I just really want to make sure that my partner and I get a chance to do it together. So, in the meanwhile though, we can have a little bit of a discussion about it. Maybe this actually looks very downsized compared to most things you're gonna see, and it looks like it's damn near furnished. I don't know if we'll be able to go inside, but I will just show you from the outside, because I'm not gonna lie, even I'm impressed with this one. So this is actually pretty rad, as you can see. We got some nice gray siding. This is actually like this is actually super cool, and it'd be super cool if I could show you the inside, but I'm guessing I cannot without permission. Um, so let's see what I can show you from here. Probably can't see much. Okay. Well, I'll give you guys a look, one last look from the outside. I'll talk to the guy, see if he'd be willing to let me take a look at this. This is pretty cool. Really good size too, and everything. You know, especially for those people who are worried about, like, if you are worried about downsizing and minimalism, you know, you want to take a step towards it. Something like this would be really good because it gives you the feel of a house, and it gives you a feel of space and room, and gives it this nice airy feeling with all these windows, but at the same time it's a lot smaller, even though it doesn't feel like it. So I'll talk to the guy, see if he'd be willing to show me and have me take a look. But if not, like, I hope you guys have enjoyed this, and we'll definitely have a lot more content for you. And remember to follow our IG page, Downsize Minimalist, and subscribe at the bottom. And please leave us comments. We love it. We love discussions and comments. Love ya.